everybody. I hope you say rich. I will go home in a minute, and then I will call you back when I wake up from my nap. And today I'm going to school 3 times.
I cannot believe what we're doing right now. Hi, we're the Wardlaws, and we're coming right back at you with another episode of Wardlaws of Waco. Oh yeah, first day of school. We're getting bird snacks. What do you think? Then we're gonna do our hair later.
Come on, dawg. This ain't never gonna stop.
Hey everybody, this is a this is a special edition of Wardlaws of Waco. First day of school, first full day of school. I'm that parent, right? I know we had a first day of school, but that was the phase-in day. Today is tomorrow will be the first full day in. As you can see, I did something real special to Anastasia's hair because I just wanted to, do something for her first day of school. Anastasia goes to school full time tomorrow, and 3 times a week, right? And it's been amazing since I've been home over the last 8 months or so, and it's funny the feedback that I've gotten as being a stay-at-home dad from I'm not in God's will, from a man. This is the verse: a man that doesn't work doesn't eat. I can go on, but it's been pretty interesting, just the conversations that I've had. And I think I'm at a point now, I'm just like, this is where God called me to be, and this is what God called me to do. There was no happenstance that Brittany was called down to Baylor and she was 36 weeks pregnant with Justice. I have enjoyed every second of being home. Has it been tough? Absolutely. Has there been days where I'm like, I don't really want to do this anymore? It's been the most challenging job I've ever had. Birdie Bird, can you eat your snack? Thank you. I've gotten to learn to do so many different things. I've learned how to be a father to my girls, which has given me the confidence that I feel like I need. I grew up, my dad wasn't really in the picture. I have a great relationship with him now, so no lost love. But how to be a dad, there wasn't a model. I feel like these last several months has really taught me genuinely how to care and love for my girls. And I love just connecting with them, like learning to do hair.
On my leg.
She's sitting on your leg. Learning to do hair. I've gotten everything from stop being a gay boy, whatever that means, to you need to get a job. I know we are a family. Need to.
Daddy, Justice, Mommy.
Don't talk between your mouth.
Yep.
I got
When you're done, don't. There you go. So I've gotten. You need to get a job. Just all types of things. I'm like, what? This is a job. Like, shout outs to all the stay-at-home moms.
2, 3, 4.
Right. Shout outs to all the stay-at-home moms. Shout outs to the stay-at-home dads. And I've even had to wrestle with being a Christian and being a stay-at-home dad and if it's biblical or not. And at the end of the day, we have to follow according to Joshua. We will serve the Lord. So by serving the Lord, that means being obedient. And the obedience was allowing my wife to spread her wings and do what God's called her to do by taking a job at Baylor. It wasn't by mistake. It wasn't by happenstance. And in addition to that, it was me being at home with the girls for however long. There are some things on the horizon that I will share probably at a later video. But I will get back to doing therapy. But right now, I have enjoyed and will still continue to enjoy being at home with this one on every day, and then being at home with her on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Mommy goes to work, right?
Why you work with the girl?
While I work with the girls. Amen. So I'm no longer going to be hiding or be ashamed that I'm a stay-at-home dad. This is the ministry right here. 1 ministry, 2 ministries, 3 ministries. So, for all the stay-at-home dads that might watch this, do you? Jesus calls you to be a stay-at-home dad. Do it. All right. We shouldn't, as Christians, want to try to hide behind the fact that staying at home is, in some way, shape, or form, unbiblical. Unbiblical. That's just my little PSA just to everyone who watches this video. Again, I just want to do something really special for Anastasia going back to school, and I just thought I can get real funky with her hair. Hopefully it'll turn out well. I don't know. I was just doing it. Any tips, leave them in the comments. Please, if you guys haven't already, subscribe. Sorry, ran out of storage again. Follow us on Instagram, follow us on Twitter, subscribe to us on YouTube. Yep. I'm so proud that you get to start school tomorrow. All right? And you're going to be a smart doobie.
What do you say?
Good morning. Mm-hmm. That was justice.
Struggling over here, y'all. So yeah, Daddy's proud of you, and I've loved being here with you over the last couple months. I've enjoyed it. It's been fun. We learned a lot, right?
Okay.
All right, what you got to say, Mommy?
That's all, folks. You want me to add a little something?
Go ahead and add a little something.
Put a little gravy on it.
A little gravy. I'll hold it.
Yeah, I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. There is not another person in this entire world that I could walk out of the house and not look back concerned about what's happening with my babies than with you. Like, I could literally leave and be at peace. You could take care of them just as well, if not better, than Mommy. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, babe.
The growth, maturity, because it takes a really strong man to be able to do this and not complain about it and just walking in obedience. That's the key.
Yeah.
quieting the voices and listening for the voice of the Lord.
Yeah.
So,
Amen. Yeah, you gotta be secure to be a stay-at-home dad.
that's for sure.
Yeah. Continue to pray for us. Continue to. Oh, she just got us. Let's go ahead and sign off. Let's read a book.
She got everybody.
She got everybody. Dang, you got everybody, girl.
Got me.
She got you.
She literally got everybody.
Oh man, look what Justice did, everybody. She just got everybody.
Disgusting. That's really disgusting.
Look at her vocabulary. She needs to be in somebody's school.
Yes, this got cleaned.
Yeah, we just got clean. You ready for school tomorrow?
No.
Yeah. All right.
We're going to get cleaned again.
All right. Well, let's go ahead and get ready for night, okay?
But this is tired.
We gotta go night.
But I want to keep talking. I had to say.
Night.
No, I got to talk.
Night.
No, talk.
Bye. Love you guys. Subscribe.
No.
Peace.
No. Everybody say the love, big.
Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here. I'm gonna get breakfast started. Some oatmeal and ready with some eggs and some peppers. You better get this thing started, y'all. I got inspired to make a omelet. Best omelet you ever had. Now it's time to pack Birdie's lunch.
This is my sandwich in here.
Yep. Come on. Let's go, Birdie. Let's do it.
Look, I spilled water.
Oh man, don't spill water on your dress. Come on. Here you go. Put your backpack on.
Okay. Take that.
Drop off with the
Got my bag.
Okay. Mama's coming.
Hurry, guys.
All right.
Stop.
Yeah, you hold it.
Where's your copy?
I think this is Anastasia Wardlow.
You could probably put your lunchbox up here.
Oh, that's right.
You have some.
You gotta put this in the bottom
It's kind of wild.
in case you need extra.
Jesus, be with us today. We love you.
So go what?
Sweet little girl wanted to hold Anastasia here.
Just sticking in the nose. Hey, so we are sorry, baby sleeping. Bird's off to school. Mommy's off to work. Daddy just went back to the house to put Justice down for a nappy. And I had to wake her up because today I am headed over to the house that we are under contract on, and today is inspection day. So I'm gonna go over there, check it out, and then I don't know what the next couple hours gonna look like. I think I'll probably prep some food, prep dinner, maybe do a workout. But yeah, inspection day. Ooh, it's getting real, y'all.